Hello everyone. In this video we'll go over installing RefWorks Cite in Google Docs tool. This is helpful if you prefer writing in Google Docs rather than, say, Microsoft Word or another word processing program on your computer. So we start here logged into our RefWorks account and look up at the links across the top and find tools kind of over towards the right but not all the way over. Click on that, and then in the drop-down menu that you get, click on Tools again. Scroll down a bit and you'll find Cite in Google Docs. Click on the blue button there to get the add-on for your browser, and it'll take you to where you can download that within your browser's settings. Click on the button that says Free, and then you'll be taken right into Google Docs to get you started. Click Continue on the little pop-up you get, and that'll start your setup wizard. First, you have to choose which account you want to use. In this case, since RefWorks is linked to your Utica College account, you'll want to choose your @utica.edu email address. Once you select that, you'll need to give RefWorks some permissions. Once you do that and finish the rest of the wizard, it's set up and you'll get the confirmation that it's been installed. If you look up towards the top left, you'll get a box that pops up under the add-ons link about how to use ProQuest RefWorks a little bit. But the main trick is you go to the add-ons menu at the top. Click that to get your drop-down menu, find ProQuest RefWorks, and then click Manage Citations from your options there. That'll give you a little insert towards the left of the right of your screen where you can log in with your email address and password. If you have any questions, please let us know. We welcome in-person visits, but you can also contact us via phone at 315-792-3044 for the information desk, or 315-792-3041 for the circulation desk. You can also email us at refere@utica.edu. Thank you for your time and attention.